This is just going to be a really informal initial preview video for several reasons. So the first reason is that I really don't have time to test this docking station to its full potential this weekend. I got a lot going on. Applying to new jobs, I got a bunch of exams coming up, so I am absolutely slammed this weekend. It's Thursday night, all this stuff just came in, well the docking station, the GT 1030 did, and I really want to unbox this thing and run some initial tests. The other reason this is just an initial preview video is because I blew all of this month's budget on the docking station and the GT 1030, so I don't have money to upgrade this T410 to its full potential. So when I do the full look / overview of this docking station, I'm going to completely spec out this T400. So 8 gigabytes of DDR3 along with a new processor to really allow this docking station and GT 1030 to stretch its legs. And the last reason that this is just an initial preview is because I don't really know too much about this docking station. I found out about this a week ago. I was absolutely psyched about it. As you guys could tell in my last video, which was on this T400, I ordered it, it arrived today, and we are going to see if we can get this desktop graphics card to work with either this T400 or I might pull out the T60 through this docking station. I'm also not sure if this 1030 will work with the docking station. Some people were saying that the 10 series cards won't work with the docking station and that you can only use the 700 series on the video cards with it. And some people were saying otherwise. So we're going to see if this 1030 will actually work with this docking station. Now, if you're not a subscriber, you have no idea what I am talking about right now. So this docking station, it's the Lenovo ThinkPad T503 Advanced Docking Station, complete model number 2503110U. And these are kind of hard to find / really expensive on eBay. I got lucky and found one on PC Liquidations, and it's currently still for sale on PC Liquidations for $45. If you try to find one of these on eBay, they're like $150 to like $230. It's absolutely ridiculous what they're doing with these on eBay. But what this allows you to do is use a desktop graphics card with a ThinkPad. So I think it works with the T60, the W500, the T400, and the T61 and T61P, I believe are the officially supported model numbers. So you put the graphics card inside the docking station. It has a little compartment that can fit a single slot half-height PCI X16 graphics card. You install it, and then you put the laptop on there, and then in theory, the laptop should be able to use the video card once docked with the docking station. Now I know this is a concept that really exists today, and you see it a lot, especially with Thunderbolt 3. But keep in mind, this is a docking station from like 10 years ago. This technology existed 10 years ago, and it's really just starting to make a comeback now. So I want to see, and I'm going to stop rambling here and actually open it up. Once again, a really informal preview video. I'm not even going to make too many cuts here. Just to save myself some time on editing and make it a little bit more authentic. Let's pop this open. I'm just so excited. I forgot what I was saying just a second ago. Oh wow, they packaged this pretty well. I like this bubble wrap. Well, that's, wow. Well, this weekend's video is, ruined. They sent the wrong version of the docking station. This is not the video card docking station. This is an advanced dock for like the 480 series, like the T540, T440. This is like a 40 series dock. This is not... Oh man, they messed up. This is not what we were supposed to get. And I know they listed this wrong. I'm looking at the product they have listed right now, and this is not it. So either they listed the product wrong because they didn't know what they were working with, or they accidentally sent me the wrong thing. So yeah, this is a docking station for like a T440 / W540. This is the exact dock I have for my W541 right here. Not the docking station that we were supposed to receive. So maybe it was too good to be true. That's why it was $45, because they listed it incorrectly. Yeah. Fun times. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. And this is going into the failure collection of videos. I'm actually going to post this as a failure video because that was all in real time. You got to see my reaction and everything, and how disappointed I was, and how disappointed I actually still am right now. This is not the 250310U that we were supposed to receive. What do they have this listed as? Yeah, they just sent the wrong thing. This is an Ultra dock. This is the ThinkPad Ultra dock for the like 40 series. Okay, well, it's time to send some emails out. And God, I don't know if I can get one in by next weekend. I'm gonna try to get one again. But yeah, I mean this. I am so angry about this right now. I think I'm just gonna push this video tonight. Yeah, so we're gonna have like a Thursday night video, and then for Saturday, I don't know what I'm gonna do because this was supposed to be Saturday's video, but this is not worth a Saturday video slot. Like, there's just nothing here except for absolute disappointment. So yeah, that was too good to be true. It's time to contact PC Liquidations and see what's up. So thanks for watching, guys. I know it was really disappointing. I'll see you in the next installment of A Computers and Technology. Man!